Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 4, B is 41, C is 78 and D is 81. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what are the rules which we can use to solve the given expression. So here we will discuss 2 rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if we will go left to right and it is coming first. So now move forward to solve the given expression. Now we will write given expression, which is this one. Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the brackets. So first of all, we will solve first step, which is B, this one. B, we will solve this B. Then here we will solve this bracket first, which is 48 divided by 12. So 48 divided by 12 means 4. Multiply by, and this part we will write right now as it is. And in the reference, we will solve 48 divided by 12 equals to 4. Now, move forward. Again, we have to solve this bracket. So, before solving this bracket, we have to solve each number which has the power. So, here we will solve this one. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 3 3s are 9. Minus and 1 multiplied by 1 means 1 1s are 1. And here, this part we will write right now as it is. And again, we will give the reference here. Now, move forward to solve this bracket, which is 9 minus 1 now. So, 4 multiplied by equals to 4 multiplied by 8 equals 8. And plus 3, we will write now as it is. This one we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Now we have solved the all bracket, and step number 2 is solve the power. So in our expression we have this power, which is 3 raised to power 2, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. And here we will give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. This becomes the power. Now we have solved all step number 2 as well. Now we will solve the step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So first of all, we will go left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have the multiplication, which is 4 multiplied by 8. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 32. And plus 9 we will write as it is now. And here we will write 8, 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32. Now we have here 2 terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 41. So the answer of the given expression is 41. If you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.